Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well and having a great day, and thank you so much for deciding to watch my video. And today's video is from Yes Oh Yes, and this is a monthly subscription beauty bag that is $14.99 plus about $4 shipping and handling, and you will receive 3 to 7 full-size beauty products. If you stay subscribed with them for 4 months, you receive a free gift, beauty gift, I'm sorry. You can do the monthly payment plan or 3 or 6 month prepays where you might save a little bit of money there. And let's get right into today's video. And they come in the black mailer. And we're going to pull the card out. And the card is, wow, you are amazing. Wake up and makeup. It's a pretty nice card. And they don't list the items or give you prices, but they give you this information on the back. So this is April 2019. So we'll just leave that card there. And we'll just reach in and grab the first product. And we received from another box something from Bodyography, which was pretty nice. So this is from Bodyography Professional Cosmetics, and this is the Electric Lip Slide, made in the USA. So there's the product. Here, maybe I'll turn it this way. And this is, doesn't give you the color on the outside. Maybe it will tell you on the inside. So this is what it looks like. And this is in the shade Cupid's Beau. So that's a pretty nice size. I'm assuming this is probably like a lip gloss. I'll show you. Nice doe foot applicator. Very creamy. Very pretty. Not really a gloss, but a little bit of a sheen. I'll show you over here. So this is the color. So you can see the sheen. It's in person, you know, there really isn't like a heavy gloss, which is nice. You know, it's not everybody likes a gloss. So that's pretty nice. So we'll stick that to the side. The next product that we're going to pull out is, I would assume this is a mask of some sort. I don't know, it doesn't feel like a mask though. This is from Dosi, the Polish, Purified Detoxifying Glow, Dead Sea Salt Activated Charcoal, Coconut Oil, Coffee, Balancing Essential Oil Blend. Maybe it's something you have to mix up. I'm really not 100% sure what that is. Obviously, you know, something for your face. So that's not a bad item. Right there. Let's see what else is in here. We have from Studiomakeup a line styler pen, and I would be assuming this is in black. So there. That is. I'm not going to open, maybe, yeah, I can open that. I'm not going to use it just because I don't use eyeliner. So that's a nice felt tip. I will include that in a giveaway, and I don't know if you can see on there. Of course, it's not going to focus. There it is. It's good for 9 months. Like to see those. That on products. Let's see if it's on this one. No, I don't see it on this one. Okay. And then, we have 2 more things in the bag. The next thing in the bag is a brush. It's a nice plastic holder for it. Let's see if we can get this out. I'd like to pull by the hairs. Oh, what's going on here? Oh, this is a lip brush. I was going to say, well, that's broke. Okay, so this is from Sorme. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see that. That is so light. Yeah, with all the glare, I don't think it's going to show. And this is a lip pencil to put your lipstick on. And then I would assume when you're done, now that I can see where hairs might get messed up, you would enclose it so that you could put it in your bag. And then when you wanted to apply lip gloss, you would just pull it out like that. That's very nice. I like the packaging that it came in. Yeah, I don't know if you were able to see. Yeah, you can probably see it on that a little bit better. The name of the brand, Sorme. So that's nice. We got a lip pencil. I think I have one lip pencil. And then the last thing in here is a palette. And I would assume that's Amor Us Lady Boss. I don't know who the brand is. I guess that is the brand. And you can see that they are cruelty-free. You can see the little symbol there for how long it's good for. So let's open that up. Oh, and that just slides right out of the packaging. You know, it just slid right out the side. Comes with a mirror, so we'll just cover that up. And these are the colors. And we will do some swatches. Let's get that off of there. Very pretty colors. Does have a plastic cover on it, so we'll take that off. If I can turn that back a little bit. So this is the palette. So let's swatch some of the, let's do some of these. Let's do this color, which is focused. Very creamy. I mean, these feel nice on your finger. So that's that one. Here, we'll just do it on my arm. Oh, very nice. You can see that. And let's do down here, Actually, which is purple. I mean, these feel great on your finger. That's going to be light. Yes, that's very light. So we'll have to go in and see if that's buildable. That is very, very light. Which is fine. You can still see it. Let's do Impact. That's a nice green. Here, we'll stick that. We'll go here. Oh, that's pretty. Right there. And then maybe we'll do a few of the shimmers. Just trying to get that off my fingers so that I'm not... Okay. So then we'll pick a few shimmers here. Let's see. How about we pick Goals? Still feels nice. Here, we'll show you that. Oh, that's pretty. You can see that. So that's Goals. Let's try Run It. It's more like a coppery gold color. Oh, that's very pretty. And then, do we try with this? This might be a purple. This is Conquer. So I'm just going to put that there, right there. So that's a light. Let me see if I can show you that one right there. So this palette seems pretty nice, and you know, using my finger, there's no kick up in the pans whatsoever. You can see, and there's all the, try to give you a side angle of the colors without all the glare. So I would think that it seems like a very nice palette. Now I know it's hard to tell from swatches on your fingers to your arm. It's not the same as using a brush and, you know, applying it to your eyelid. But if they apply anything like they did just on a swatch, or even half of what they did on a swatch, that would be phenomenal. I mean, they're beautiful, beautiful colors. So I'm just going to put the protective paper back on. I like to sometimes store it with them on this way. You know, if I accidentally open, you know, I don't smash my finger into, you know, my nails into any of the colors. So we got the Lady Boss palette from Amor Us, which is very nice. We got the lip slide from Bodyography, and that's like a pinky color. We got the lip liner from Studiomakeup in black. We got the lipstick pencil, or lipstick brush, I'm sorry, not a pencil, that you can take apart and store inside of each other so that you can carry that with you in your bag. This I'm going to have to look into because I'm really not sure exactly what this is for. I would assume it's for your face, some kind of a mask or a treatment. So they are the the 5 items that we received in Yes Oh Yes for April 2019. And I will see if I can find some information on some of these or pricing and post that in my description box. That is my video for Yes Oh Yes for April 2019. Please leave me a comment down below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. It really does help the channel for growth. And thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.